Hello everyone, today I want to share an incredible health secret with you that many people might not actually know about. We all know walnuts and we are aware of their health benefits, but have you ever thought about the leaves of the walnut tree? For a while now I've been gathering fresh walnut leaves and drying them. Walnut leaves are packed with antioxidants, have incredibly strong anti-inflammatory properties, and work like magic for detoxifying the body, regulating blood sugar, and boosting the immune system. Let's dive into the process and how I prepare these leaves myself. First of all, I bring the fresh, healthy leaves that I picked back home and give them a good wash. But to make sure they are completely sanitized and free of any dirt or insects, I submerge the leaves in salt water. After letting them soak in salt water for a few minutes, I rinse them off and squeeze out the excess water. Once the surface moisture is gone, it's time for the main drying process. I arrange the leaves inside a food dehydrator. I have praised food dehydrators a lot in my previous videos and mentioned just how essential it is to invest in one. It's something you can use for a lifetime. You wouldn't believe what you can make with this machine. It's absolutely perfect for a healthy lifestyle and it saves you from spending money on items you can easily and cheaply make yourself. In short, I highly recommend getting one for yourself. It's very reasonably priced and accessible to anyone. I've left a link for it in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to go check it out and grab one. I set the dehydrator temperature to 45 Celsius, which is 113 Fahrenheit, and let them dry for about 8 to 10 hours. Why this temperature? Because at a lower heat, all the therapeutic properties, vitamins, and beneficial enzymes of the leaves are completely preserved without being burned. After this time, the leaves become beautifully crisp and brittle. Once the leaves are completely dry, I put them into a grinder so they turn into a fine, smooth powder. I store this precious green powder in an airtight glass jar and incorporate it into my daily diet. There are so many ways to consume it. For instance, I sprinkle a bit over my salads or mix it right into the dressing. You can easily toss it into your daily smoothies or sprinkle it on top of your morning porridge or oatmeal. Even simpler than that, just add a teaspoon of it in some yogurt and enjoy. It is truly that easy to add an antioxidant bomb to your daily meals. Be sure to try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.